How to redeem Nitro gift codes on Discord. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily redeem your Nitro gift codes on Discord. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. First thing first, you're going to open up a browser on your phone. Now you are just going to go ahead and open up your Discord. And once you do that, you can just log into your account. If you don't see the login option, then what you're going to do is type in discord.com/login. So go ahead and just tap on this one and it will take you to the login page. And once you do that, you should just log into your account. And after you have logged in, all you need to do now is tap on the hamburger menu to pop out your menu section and tap on the gear icon to access your settings. Once you get to your settings, under billing settings, you will find Nitro, server boost, subscriptions, and then gift inventory. Go to gift inventory, and if you have any valid Nitro codes, you can just enter it here and then just tap on redeem. And if the code is valid, you should be able to redeem the Discord Nitro. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you on the next one.